7 years old, maybe 6, 5, 6, 7, I don't know. Who remembers? But all I remember is one thing. On the weekends, I used to get the relatives to come over, whether it was from Long Island, from Queens, New Jersey. They used to come to the house. My grandfather used to like have people over. They used to play cards. They used to goof around, Italian stuff. You know what I mean? Italian family, try to stay close. And he had it was funny because me and whoever other little kids were there that were my age, they used to give me a shot of vermouth, sweet vermouth, Cinzano, martini, whatever it was. Cinzano vermouth. It was pretty funny because I used to take like a shot of it and bam, I sweat. 15 minutes later, you're out cold. It was because I guess that was their Ritalin back then. That was the Ritalin. See, they give the kids now, which I'm totally against giving kids drugs, but they give kids, if you're too hyper, they give you a Ritalin. Back then, if you were too hyper, poof, give them some freaking sweet vermouth. Cinzano, Martini and Rossi, sweet vermouth. Boom, and they go right out. And next thing you know, you wake up, it's the next day, the company's gone, the house is clean. It was pretty wild.